Welcome back to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the force part 2 video of ICSC class 10th physics. In part 1 video we have discussed about translational motion, rotational motion, moment of force and clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now the next topic we will discuss in chapter force for ICSC class 10 physics, the example of moment of force. Topic 6, example of moment of force. Moment of force. We have discussed that the moment of force means torque. Torque is equal to product of force into perpendicular distance. It means the force is directly proportional to torque and the perpendicular distance is also directly proportional to the torque. If example 1, if there is a door and in the door, if you want to open the door, then the handle should be plotted at this point because there is the greatest distance. Suppose that this is distance 2 meter and you apply the force at this point 3 Newton, then torque will be force 3 Newton and the distance 2 meter is equal to 6, and if this handle will be plotted at this point, then distance is 1 meter and force is 3 meter, then what will be the answer? Torque is equal to 1 force 3 and distance 1 is equal to only 3. So to get more torque, we should plot or fix the handle of the door at the greatest distance to attain the more torque. And the second example, the pointer of the vehicle. Pointer is a type of wrench used in the vehicle, open the nut and having long handle. The long handle make it easy to get more torque. If you apply the force at this point 5 Newton and this is 3 meter, then what is the torque? Torque means tau, means force into distance 15 Newton meter, and if this is only 1 meter, then force 5 into 1 is equal to only 5 Newton meter. So the handle of the spanner keep maximum for least force. And the third point is the steering of the wheel of the car put at great distance of known as radius. If radius is 1 meter and you apply the force at this point 2 Newton, then torque will be 1 into 2 is equal to 2 Newton meter. And if the wheel has very less diameter, suppose that 1 upon 2, then torque will be 1 upon 2 into 2 is equal to only 1 Newton meter. So there are many common examples to attain the torque. To get the torque, you should apply either more force or more distance. You know that the force cannot be applied, it has a limit for a human. So how can you increase the torque? So only one way to increase the torque is the increase the perpendicular distance. The next point, couple. What is couple? When moment of force is applied in pair it is known as in couple. When the moment of force is applied in the pair, then you will get more torque at this point. Suppose that if there is the handle of the car and you apply the force at this point A 2 Newton and your second hand at this point and you should apply at B 2 Newton also and distance 3 and distance 3, then what is the net torque moment of force? Torque is equal to force into distance plus force into distance. Force 2 Newton, distance 3, 2 distance 3, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 Newton meter. The torque had double because this is also anti-clockwise and this is also anti-clockwise, and if both the force has been applied in anti-clockwise, then both force will become sum and the total force obtained is 12 Newton meter. If you apply the force when in pair, you will always get the more torque. The next point, in the type of water supply system, you will open the tap by applying two force continuously and simultaneously, and one finger you apply the force at this anti-clockwise and second at this anti-clockwise, and so torque become double and you can easily open the tap. And third point is open the bottle cover. You should apply the force in torque in pair. Your first finger is anti-clockwise and second finger is also anti-clockwise, and keep both the force in same anti-clockwise direction become also double. What is equilibrium? The next point is what is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a condition in which the torque of all torque sum is zero. There is no gain or no loss in torque. Then body is known as at equilibrium. There are two types of equilibrium: static equilibrium, and the second is dynamic equilibrium. If the book is kept on table, then there is four type force work on the book. First of all, you know that the weight of book, put it downward by its weight, W is equal to M into G, and the reaction force is upward, and the friction force also work on the table, and all the forces, in the influence of all the forces, body does not move its position. It means it is static equilibrium while there is keeping many force continuously. And in second case, dynamic equilibrium, the body will in motion and always in motion and no change, it is state. Suppose that a train is moving at a speed, at a uniform speed, but there were many type of force in the body. First of all, friction force opposite the motion, and second, thrust force by the engine, and friction force by the air, and gravity force and to the weight of the train, gravity force, normal reaction force, many force all working on the train, but the speed of train do not change due to dynamic equilibrium. This is known as equilibrium. Condition of equilibrium. What is the condition of equilibrium? How and when a body become equilibrium? Condition of equilibrium. The condition of equilibrium is equal to sum of all clockwise is equal to sum of all anti-clockwise moment. If the sum of all clockwise and anti-clockwise moment is same, then body is at equilibrium. Suppose that there is a scale and there is a 2 meter and a weight is applied 3 Newton. Then what is the moment of force? Due to this weight, body will move anti-clockwise. What is the anti-clockwise moment? Anti-clockwise moment 2 into 3 is equal to 6 Newton meter. And if there is 6 and the weight is applied 1 kg, then 1 Newton, and what is the due to this weight body will view this condition, and the clockwise moment, clockwise 6 into 1 is equal to 6 Newton meter. So here clockwise and anti-clockwise moment is same, so body will in equilibrium and it will be horizontal. And what is the principle of the moment of force? The principle of the moment of force is sum of all clockwise moment is equal to sum of all anti-clockwise moment. This is the video. This was the video of fourth chapter part 2. And the second exercise will be published in video 3rd. If you want to calculate the solution of this chapter 4, then visit our ICSE Help YouTube channel and ICSE Help website to get the solution of latest publication such as Selena, Goel Brother and other publication of 2021 and 22 edition. You will get the numerical in ascending order. Like it and share it. Thank you.